Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am good, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, where are you sitting?
Bench.
On the bench. You are sitting on the
Bench.
bench. You are sitting on the bench. Okay, Meghna, tell me, where is the chalk?
This box is on the box.
The chalk is on the box. The chalk is on the box. Okay. Now tell me, where is the pen?
In the book.
In the notebook. The pen is in the notebook. Now, I am underlining some words in these following sentences. You have to tell me what we call these underlined words in English grammar.
Preposition.
Preposition. Very good. So today we will talk about preposition. First of all, we will understand the meaning of preposition. Meaning of preposition. Can we break this word into two words? Look at this word. Can we break this word into two words?
Preposition.
Pre and position. Very good. We can break this word into two words, which is pre and position. Pre means before and position means place. So preposition are the words which are used before noun or pronoun. So it shows the place of the preposition. It is used before noun or pronoun. Now we will discuss about the definition of preposition. Take out your notebooks and note down in your notebooks. Definition of preposition. Preposition are the words which shows relationship of noun or pronoun with some other words in the sentence. What does it mean? Preposition are the words which shows relationship of noun or pronoun with some other words in the sentence. For example, the box is on the table. So here table and box is noun. Which word shows relationship between noun and which word shows relationship between table and box? It is on word which shows relationship between two nouns. For example, the box is on the table. Here, on is showing relationship between box and table. Now, I will tell you about types of preposition. We can categorize these preposition into three categories, which are preposition of place, time and movement. Today we will only discuss about preposition of place. Preposition of place shows place, preposition of time refers to time and preposition movement from one place to another. Today I will only discuss with you preposition of place. Some common preposition of place are on, in, at, under, inside, in front of, behind, and beside. So now we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss about on, where we use preposition on. On is used when an object is touched with a surface. For example, as I give you the example, the box is on the table. It is touched with the surface of table. Now we will discuss in. In is used when some object is enclosed with some other object. For example, the chalk is in the box. It has confined boundaries and it is enclosed. So we use in. The chalk is in the box. Third preposition of place is at. At is used for behind and beside. So now we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss about on, where we use preposition on. On is used when an object is touched with a surface. For example, as I give you the example, the box is on the table. It is touched with the surface of table. Now we will discuss in. In is used when some object is enclosed with some other object. For example, the chalk is in the box. It has confined boundaries and it is enclosed. So we use in. The chalk is in the box. Third preposition of place is at. At is used for a specific point or location. For example, I am standing at the class, or I am standing at the bus stop. Next preposition of place is under. It shows lower position of an object. For example, the magazine is under the box. The magazine is under the box. Next preposition of place is in front of. This preposition is used when we are close in front of any object. For example, I am standing in front of the table. So, I am standing in front of the table. Next preposition of place is behind, where we use behind. Behind is used when an object is in back of some other object. For example, the chair is behind the table, or I am standing behind the table. The chair is behind the table. Next is beside. Beside is used when someone is in next to some other object. For example, here if I stand here, we say the teacher is standing in front of the table. But when I am standing here, then you say the teacher is standing beside the table. Beside the table. Next is between. Between is used when an object or someone is in middle of two things. For example, the chalk is in middle of two magazines. So we can say the chalk is in between two magazines. The chalk is in between magazines. Now, I will give you an activity. I will give you instruction and you have to follow it. For example, I am calling Meghna. Meghna, come here. Stand behind the podium. So, Meghna is standing behind the podium. Stand in front of the podium. So, now Meghna is standing in front of the podium. Now you will stand beside the podium. Now Meghna is standing beside the podium. Very good, clap for her. So now I will give you homework and you have to do this in your home. You have to write 5 sentences of each preposition of place.